This is not uncommon. Most frequent flyers would have experienced the lost luggage scene at least once in their lifetime. Landing after a long flight, walking to the baggage carousel, and watching every suitcase circle past. Minutes pass, the crowd disappears, the carousel stops, and suddenly their luggage is gone. Here's the part airlines rarely emphasize. Lost luggage is not as rare as you might think. In 2024 alone, airlines mishandled about 33.4 million bags worldwide, even though the rate has improved to about 6.3 mishandled bags per 1,000 passengers. Now, to be fair, most of those bags are eventually found. But the system behind lost luggage is full of quirks, loopholes, and little-known truths that airlines rarely explain clearly to passengers. Some secrets involve compensation rules, some involve tracking systems, and some reveal simple tricks that dramatically increase the chances of finding your bag. If you travel even occasionally, these are things you absolutely need to know. So today we're breaking down 10 airport secrets airlines don't want you to know about lost luggage. And yes, before we start exposing these secrets, do the usual YouTube ritual. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel, not because it helps the algorithm or anything dramatic. Obviously, we're just here for the pure joy of aviation education. All right, let's begin. Number 1. Most lost bags are actually just delayed. The first secret airlines rarely highlight is that most lost luggage is not truly lost. It's simply delayed. Industry data shows that around 2/3 of mishandled bags are reunited with their owners within 48 hours, thanks to global tracking systems like World Tracer. What usually happens is surprisingly mundane. Your bag misses a connecting flight. It gets routed through the wrong airport, or it arrives hours later on another plane. The problem is communication. Many passengers hear the phrase, "Your bag is missing," and immediately imagine it disappearing forever into some airport black hole. In reality, it's often sitting calmly in another terminal waiting for the next flight. Airlines sometimes underplay this because delayed baggage still creates customer frustration and compensation claims. But the truth is that permanent loss is relatively rare. Number 2. Connecting flights are the biggest luggage risk. If there's one thing that dramatically increases your chances of luggage problems, it's connecting flights. Studies show that transfer flights are the single largest cause of baggage mishandling, accounting for a significant share of delayed luggage cases worldwide. Here's why. Every time you change planes, your bag must be unloaded, sorted, scanned, and transferred to another aircraft. Each step introduces another opportunity for something to go wrong. If the connection time is short, baggage handlers might not have enough time to move the suitcase to the next plane. So the passenger arrives, but the bag doesn't. Travel experts often recommend choosing direct flights whenever possible because direct flights can reduce lost luggage risk by about 60% compared with connecting itineraries. Airlines won't always emphasize that statistic when selling tight connections, but it matters. Number 3. Airlines pay billions for lost luggage. Here's a surprising secret. Lost luggage is not just a passenger headache, it's a massive financial problem for airlines. The aviation industry spends around $5 billion every year dealing with mishandled baggage. Those costs include tracking systems, airport staff, delivery services, customer support, and compensation payments. That's why airlines have been investing heavily in new technology like automated baggage sorting and electronic bag tags. In fact, modern baggage systems use scanners, barcodes, and databases to track bags across thousands of flights worldwide. Still, even with sophisticated technology, millions of bags go astray each year simply because global air travel is incredibly complex. Think about it. A suitcase might pass through multiple airports, aircraft, conveyors, and staff teams before reaching its owner. All it takes is one missed scan. Number 4. Your baggage tag is everything. Here's something airlines quietly rely on but passengers often ignore. The tiny barcode sticker attached to your suitcase is the key to the entire system. That barcode links your bag to your flight itinerary in the airline's tracking database. Every time the bag moves through the airport system, scanners read that code. If the tag tears off or becomes unreadable, the bag essentially loses its digital identity. That's when problems begin. Airlines strongly recommend placing identification both outside and inside the suitcase because internal tags can help reunite bags even when external labels disappear. It's a small step that dramatically increases recovery chances, yet many travelers skip it. Number 5. Airlines may delay calling your bag lost. Here's a legal detail that catches many travelers off guard. Airlines typically do not officially classify baggage as lost until about 21 days after the flight. Until then, it's simply labeled delayed or missing. That means compensation claims can move slowly because airlines continue searching for the bag during that period. These timelines come from international aviation rules under agreements like the Montreal Convention, which governs airline liability for baggage issues on international flights. So if your suitcase disappears, the airline might keep investigating for weeks before officially declaring it lost. To passengers, that can feel like the airline is dragging its feet. But legally, that waiting period is part of the process. Number 6. There is a limit to how much airlines pay. Another secret many travelers discover too late is that compensation for lost luggage has strict limits. International flights fall under the Montreal Convention, which caps airline liability for lost baggage. The maximum compensation is roughly 1,288 special drawing rights, which equals around $1,700 to $1,800, depending on exchange rates. This limit applies even if the contents of your suitcase are worth much more. That means if you pack expensive electronics, jewelry, or luxury items into checked luggage, the airline may not reimburse the full value. Airlines strongly recommend placing valuables in carry-on bags for this exact reason. It's not just about theft, it's about reimbursement limits. And that's something many travelers only learn after filing a claim. So before you check that suitcase, remember this simple rule. If you panic about losing it, don't check it. Number 7. Airlines can sell unclaimed luggage. Here's one of the most surprising secrets about lost luggage. If a suitcase is never claimed, it doesn't sit in an airport warehouse forever. After months of unsuccessful attempts to locate the owner, airlines may legally sell the contents. In the United States, many unclaimed bags end up at a retailer called the Unclaimed Baggage Center, which purchases luggage that airlines cannot reunite with passengers. Before selling anything, the company goes through every bag carefully. Personal documents like passports, IDs, and photos are removed and efforts are made to return them to the owners. But clothing, electronics, and other items are cleaned, tested, and eventually sold in the store. Millions of products from lost luggage are resold every year through this system. For travelers, it's a strange realization. That suitcase you never found could eventually become a bargain item on a retail shelf. Airlines don't exactly advertise this process, but it's been part of the aviation industry for decades. Fortunately, truly unclaimed luggage represents only a tiny percentage of mishandled bags. Most bags are reunited with their owners long before reaching this stage. Number 8. Bag tracking technology is improving fast. Another secret airlines don't talk about enough is that baggage tracking has improved dramatically in recent years. Modern airports now use a mix of barcode scanning, RFID chips, and digital tracking systems to monitor luggage across the entire journey. Some airlines have even started integrating passenger tracking tools that allow travelers to see where their bag is located. A popular example is the Apple AirTag, a small Bluetooth tracker many passengers now place inside their luggage. Travelers have used these trackers to locate bags faster than airlines themselves in some situations. There have been cases where passengers showed airline staff the exact airport location of their missing suitcase. While airlines don't officially rely on consumer trackers, they have become surprisingly useful tools for travelers. The aviation industry itself is also investing heavily in RFID baggage tracking, which improves scan accuracy and reduces sorting errors. According to industry reports, airports that adopt RFID technology can reduce mishandled luggage by more than 20%. That's a huge improvement in an industry handling billions of bags each year. Number 9. Your luggage claim report matters more than you think. When your bag goes missing, the first thing airline staff will ask you to do is file a report at the airport baggage desk. Many travelers rush through this step or postpone it. That's a mistake. This document is called a Property Irregularity Report, and it officially starts the airline's search process. Without that report, the airline may not be legally responsible for compensation or delivery of the bag later. The report includes important details such as the bag's color, brand, size, distinguishing marks, and baggage tag number. The more accurate your description, the easier it becomes for baggage systems to identify your suitcase. Even small details can help. Stickers, ribbons, or unique luggage designs can make a huge difference in locating a bag among thousands of nearly identical suitcases. This is why experienced travelers often attach bright tags or colorful straps to their luggage. It's not just about style, it helps the system recognize the bag faster. Number 10. Simple tricks can reduce your risk dramatically. The final secret might be the most useful one. There are simple steps travelers can take that significantly reduce the chances of losing luggage. First, avoid checking bags whenever possible. Carry-on luggage removes the entire baggage system from the equation. Second, if you must check a bag, arrive early at the airport. Late check-ins increase the chance that your bag won't make the flight. Third, remove old baggage tags from previous trips. Multiple tags can confuse scanners and lead to routing errors. Fourth, place contact information inside the suitcase as well as outside. And finally, consider photographing your luggage before travel. That photo can be extremely helpful when filing a report, because airline staff will know exactly what to search for. These small habits take only minutes but can save hours of frustration later. Airlines may not always highlight these tips because they rely heavily on passengers following standard procedures. But experienced travelers know that a little preparation goes a long way in protecting your belongings. Be informed. Don't let your lost luggage spoil your entire trip. Lost luggage might feel like one of the worst travel nightmares, but understanding how the system actually works gives you a major advantage. Behind the scenes, airports process millions of bags every day through complex networks of scanners, conveyors, and aircraft transfers. Most bags arrive safely, but when something goes wrong, the difference between panic and quick recovery often comes down to knowledge. Knowing how compensation rules work can protect your valuables. Understanding baggage tracking can help you locate your suitcase faster. And simple habits like labeling your luggage properly can dramatically improve your chances of getting it back. Air travel will probably never reach a perfect zero-loss baggage system. There are simply too many flights, airports, and connections involved. But the industry continues to improve technology and procedures every year. And the more informed you are as a traveler, the better your odds of avoiding those frustrating moments at the baggage carousel. So the next time you fly, you'll know exactly how the lost luggage system works behind the scenes. And if this video helped you learn something new, feel free to do the completely optional, absolutely non-life-changing YouTube routine. You know, liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Not because it helps the channel grow or anything like that, just because baggage carousels enjoy applause.